Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making a ready to go whipped cream cake. These are the kind of cakes that you see whenever you enter our store to pick up a cake. They are readily available, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me. I'll show you the process of just decorating it. It's so fast. This can be done in 10 minutes and you're done and over with it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to somebody who needs it. Let's start this video. I've already secured this chocolate cake to the board with a normal buttercream because it's quite stable and it does not move anyhow. So now I'm going to apply whipped cream to the top layer of the chocolate cake. I'm just going to smoothen it because I want to put like a border where when I put in my filling, it's not going to slide out of the cake. Now I'm going to pipe in my border. This is the first layer of the border. After piping around this first border, I'm going to pipe the second one because this is just for me to be extra sure and careful that the filling won't pour out. Now this is chocolate ganache that I made with melted couverture chocolate and other stuff. I know I don't have a video on this, but I'm soon going to make this video on how I made this chocolate ganache. And this is also caramel. I'm just going to mix chocolate ganache and caramel, but I have a video on how to make chocolate ganache with cocoa. It would be at the icon above or the description box below. But this chocolate ganache here is made with chocolate, pure couverture chocolate. This is my vanilla cake. Please note that it is frozen. I like to work with frozen cake because it's easier for me to cut, it doesn't break, and it's easy to handle. My chocolate cake is very soft, super soft, so that's why I like it frozen whenever I'm working with it. So, and the top vanilla cake is my premium vanilla cake. It's also frozen, so I didn't cut much out of it. That's why you're still seeing the semi-burnt part. I'm just going to crumb coat the cake. This is just basically how to crumb it. There's no hard and fast rule to it. Just put a thin layer that covers everywhere, that makes it straight, that holds all the crumbs together, and that's just basically so that when you put the main layer of the buttercream, you don't have crumbs in it and you can smoothen it properly, except you are making a, say, Oreo cookie buttercream or Oreo cookie frosting, where you have to put the Oreo cookie crumbs inside of it, or red velvet or whatever. But so I'm just going to smoothen it and smoothen the top. Sometimes I just pop it into the chiller or the freezer so as to hold the crumbs properly. It will be frozen. It won't be hard, but it'll just be frozen. Then before I put my final layer of the frosting, but most times I don't pop it in. I just finish my work to make. I have 2 videos on how to make a stable whipped cream. So this whipped cream here is super stable, as in super stable. I have a video that I made on how to make a stable whipped cream. I have the old one, I have the new one. Just check my channel out, and you, or check the icon above or the description box below for the video on how to make this very super stable whipped cream. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to somebody who loves baking. There's always somebody in every household that loves to cook, bake, and do something nice. So share it to them, let them watch it. This channel is the best place to start your baking journey. Trust me, you have everything to kickstart your baking journey without stress and hassle. So just check out my channel, check out my other videos. You would really love it. After applying the final layer and smoothing the sides of my cake, I'm just going to smoothen the top of it. The excess at the top, I'm just going to use my palette knife to smoothen it in so I have a sharp edge. So I'm going to be decorating this cake with Oreo cookies or Oreo biscuit. I just crushed a bit of my Oreos biscuit and I'm going to just put it by the side. This cake is very simple, very easy to make, like pam pam, super fast, like, so that's why it's a ready to go cake. It's always available, you just pick it and go. So I'm just going to use my palette knife to move it upwards and to coat the cake properly in case there's any place that wasn't coated properly. Then I'm going to use the same palette knife to pull out the excess so I can have a neat board. Now I'm going to pipe on the top of the cake. These are the two piping techniques I'm going to be piping on the cake, nothing more than this. So just this is how I basically do it. I'm going to pipe a swirl and I don't know what they call the other technique. This one looks like a Christmas tree kinda. It's looking fine. So I'm just gonna place my Oreo cookies in between. At some point I ran out because I had space for 8, but I had 6 in that pack. So I had mini Oreos, so I had to use it to complete it. People really love this cake. Whenever they just see Oreos on it, they just want the biscuit because that's the first thing they're just going to nibble on and eat it. So I had to complete the cake with my mini Oreos, and this is the end result. This is what it looks like after I'm done. You can try it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.